Your heart beats about 100,000 times every single day. That's over 3 billion beats in your lifetime. No breaks, no sleep, no days off. But here's the crazy part. Your heart doesn't get tired. Ever. Meanwhile, your legs get sore after running, your arms get tired after lifting weights, and your brain gets exhausted after thinking too much. So, why doesn't the heart get exhausted? What makes it biologically different from every other muscle in your body? Let's break it down from a biology and science perspective. The heart is a muscle, but not like others. First, yes, the heart is a muscle, but it's a very special type called cardiac muscle. Unlike skeletal muscles like your arms or legs, cardiac muscle works automatically. You don't tell your heart to beat, you don't think about it. It just does its job, non-stop. Biologically, cardiac muscle cells are built to resist fatigue. They are structurally different, functionally different, and optimized for endurance, not strength. Think of your heart like a marathon runner, not a sprinter. The heart has its own power system. Here's where it gets really interesting. Your heart has its own electrical system. Inside your heart is a natural pacemaker called the SA node, the sinoatrial node. This tiny group of cells generates electrical signals on its own. No brain command needed. That electrical signal spreads through the heart, telling it when to contract and when to relax. This automatic rhythm means the heart never has to wait for instructions. It's self-regulating, precise, and extremely efficient. That efficiency is one big reason it doesn't get tired. Heart cells are energy monsters. Now let's talk about energy. Heart muscle cells are packed with mitochondria, the power plants of the cell. In fact, about 30 to 40% of a heart cell is mitochondria. That's insane. More mitochondria means more oxygen usage, more ATP energy, less fatigue. Your heart almost never switches to low-efficiency energy systems. It stays in high-efficiency mode non-stop. Plus, the heart has an incredible blood supply. It constantly delivers oxygen and nutrients to itself through coronary arteries, so the heart never runs out of fuel. The heart rests between every beat. Here's a secret most people don't know. Your heart does rest, just not the way you think. Between every beat, there's a brief relaxation phase called diastole. That tiny pause, milliseconds long, is enough for heart cells to recover. So while your heart beats non-stop, it's actually resting thousands of times per hour. It's a perfect balance of work and recovery. Evolution designed the heart to never quit. From an evolutionary standpoint, a heart that gets tired means death. So biology selected for a muscle that never stops, rarely fatigues, repairs itself efficiently. Your heart is not just strong, it's biologically optimized for lifelong endurance. That's why it can beat non-stop from before you're born until your very last moment. So next time your heart beats, remember, you're carrying one of the most efficient biological machines ever created by evolution. If you enjoyed this science breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay curious.